Think you've seen all the coolest gadgets? Think again. Today's lineup is packed with smart tech that's actually useful, incredibly satisfying, and seriously fun to own. Welcome to RevX, where we bring you the internet's best gadget discoveries every week. If you're into awesome tech that makes everyday life easier, hit that subscribe button now. And if any gadget catches your eye, all the buy links are in the description. Let's get started. Think your reflexes are fast? This lightning reaction reloaded game is about to put them to the ultimate test. Everyone grabs a handle, waits for the red light to turn green, and then races to press the trigger first. The slowest player gets a harmless electric shock, making every round hilarious and unpredictable. You can even choose between low, medium, or high shock levels, depending on how brave your group is. Perfect for game nights, parties, and friendly competitions, this gadget is guaranteed to bring laughs, screams, and unforgettable moments.
Want to improve your golf game or make outdoor adventures more precise? Check out this 1,200-yard laser rangefinder. It delivers accurate measurements within plus or minus 0.5 yards and features 7 times magnification for a crystal clear view of distant targets. With 6 smart modes, including slope compensation, flag lock, height and distance measurement, speed mode, and continuous scanning, it adapts to every situation. The built-in magnetic mount keeps it securely attached to your golf cart, while the IP54 waterproof design handles rain, dust, and tough conditions with ease. Compact, lightweight, and incredibly accurate, it's a must-have for golfers, hunters, and outdoor enthusiasts.
Protect your bike with a lock that's built to stop thieves. This award-winning folding bike lock combines a lightweight, compact design with heavy-duty security that's resistant to bolt cutters, drills, and saws. Its foldable 33.5-inch design makes it easy to lock your bike to racks, poles, or stands, while the weatherproofed hardened steel construction is made for everyday outdoor use. The included frame mount keeps the lock securely attached without annoying rattles, and the master keys and carry case make it ready for every ride. Whether you commute daily or hit the trails on weekends, this lock delivers serious protection without the bulk. Summer heat doesn't stand a chance against the Taurus Coolify Cyber. This isn't just a neck fan, it's a wearable air conditioner. Using advanced semiconductor cooling technology, it cools your neck on contact, while 8 air vents deliver refreshing airflow around your face, neck, and upper body. With AI-powered cooling modes, app control, and even heating mode for winter, it adapts to every season. The 6,000 mAh battery provides hours of cooling, supports 20-watt fast charging, and the lightweight, bladeless design keeps it comfortable and safe to wear all day. If you want to stay cool anywhere, this futuristic gadget is hard to beat. Tired of messy phone mounts and charging cables? This MagSafe car mount charger gives you both in one sleek design. It securely holds your phone with powerful magnetic alignment while delivering fast 15-watt wireless charging, so your battery stays topped up during every drive. The 360-degree rotating mount and dual-axis folding arm let you position your phone perfectly for navigation, calls, or music in both portrait and landscape mode. Its strong suction base keeps everything stable, even on bumpy roads, while the premium carbon fiber style finish blends seamlessly with your car's interior. It's the perfect upgrade for daily commutes, road trips, and hands-free driving. Still spending all day sitting at your desk? This electric standing desk lets you switch from sitting to standing with the push of a button, helping you stay more comfortable and productive throughout the day. The spacious 71-inch desktop gives you plenty of room for multiple monitors, laptops, and accessories, while the powerful dual motors adjust the height smoothly from 24.5 to 50.3 inches. Its heavy-duty steel frame supports up to 220 patches, and the 3 memory presets let you save your favorite working heights for instant adjustment. It's a smart upgrade for any home office or workspace. Recycling cans doesn't have to be a hassle. This heavy-duty can crusher turns bulky soda and beer cans into compact 1-inch discs with almost no effort. Built from thick reinforced steel, it's designed to last and won't bend under pressure.
The rubber-lined base keeps cans from slipping out, while the long ergonomic handle makes crushing smooth and easy. It mounts directly to your wall, so it's always ready to use in your garage, kitchen, or workshop. If you want to save space, make recycling easier, and even squeeze in a quick arm workout, this gadget is definitely worth checking out.
If your everyday essentials are always scattered around, this Hounds Bay Admiral Valet box keeps everything organized in one premium spot. It combines a watch organizer, jewelry box, charging station, catch-all tray, and accessory drawer into one elegant design. The scratch-resistant exterior and soft interior lining help protect your watches, wallet, keys, phone, and other valuables, while the extra deep compartments easily fit oversized watches. Whether it's on your nightstand or office desk, it adds a clean, luxurious touch. And with its premium gift box packaging, it's an excellent gift for anyone who loves style and organization.
Need extra storage without slowing down your ride? This bike frame phone bag is designed to fit almost any bike frame using 3 adjustable straps, no measuring required. The hard EVA shell protects your gear from bumps and scratches, while the high-sensitivity TPU touch window lets you use GPS, answer calls, or control music without removing your phone. It's also waterproof and shockproof, with sealed zippers and an included rain cover to keep everything safe in bad weather. With a 1.7-liter capacity, there's plenty of room for your phone, tools, keys, wallet, and other ride essentials. A smart upgrade for commuters, mountain bikers, and weekend cyclists.
Ready to turn your next party into pure chaos? Meet Shocktato, the hilarious game where nobody wants to be left holding the potato. Just choose a game mode, press start, and toss it around as fast as you can. When the music suddenly stops, the unlucky player gets a surprise electric shock. You can choose extreme, normal, or music-only mode if you want fun without the zap. Perfect for parties, game nights, and prank lovers, Shocktato is guaranteed to bring laughs, screams, and unforgettable reactions every single round.
Tired of your coffee getting cold before you finish it? This smart heated coffee mug keeps every sip at the perfect temperature with 3 heat settings: 120 degrees, 135 degrees, and 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Its 2550 mAh rechargeable battery provides over 2 hours of cordless heating, and the included charging coaster keeps it warm even longer. A dual-sided LED display shows the real-time temperature, while the one-button controls make it super easy to use. Built from durable 304 stainless steel with a spill-reducing lid and non-slip base, it's the perfect gadget for coffee, tea, or hot chocolate lovers who want every sip to stay just right.
Need a brighter way to light up the night? This 230-degree wide-beam rechargeable headlamp gives you an ultra-wide field of view, making it perfect for camping, hiking, night running, repairs, and outdoor work. It's water-resistant, so rain and splashes won't slow you down. With USB-C fast recharging, you can skip disposable batteries and get back to your adventure quickly. Weighing only 68 grams, it's lightweight enough to wear comfortably for hours without feeling bulky. And with a 4-pack, you'll always have extras for family, friends, or your next outdoor trip.
Hot weather doesn't stand a chance against this Kimo 3-in-1 turbo cooling fan. Its AI cooling chip delivers an instant cooling effect, dropping skin temperature to around 60 degrees Fahrenheit in seconds for quick relief on your face, neck, or forehead. The 21,000 RPM turbo motor pushes a powerful 9 meters per second breeze, making it far stronger than a typical handheld fan. With 199 adjustable speed levels, you can fine-tune the airflow from a gentle breeze to maximum cooling. A single charge lasts up to 14 hours, and the 3-in-1 design lets you use it as a handheld fan, desktop fan, or hands-free neck fan. Perfect for travel, workouts, outdoor adventures, or daily commutes.
Measuring rooms has never been this smart. This Maser laser measure delivers accurate measurements up to 164 feet with precision down to plus or minus 1/8 inch. Its innovative joystick control lets you measure in every direction with ease, while auto-leveling and automatic contour mapping make room layouts fast and incredibly accurate. With built-in Bluetooth, you can instantly send measurements to the Mazer app, edit floor plans, and export them as DXF, PDF, or JPEG files. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, interior designer, or contractor, this pocket-sized gadget saves time and makes every measurement effortless.
Forget keys and combinations. This smart fingerprint padlock unlocks with just your fingerprint in under 1 second. It stores up to 20 fingerprints and even lets you remotely grant access to family, friends, or coworkers through the app with full unlock history and scheduling. Despite its compact size, it's weatherproof, making it perfect for lockers, luggage, cabinets, bikes, and more. The rechargeable battery lasts up to 6 months on standby, or over 2,000 unlocks on a single charge.
That's a wrap for today's awesome gadgets. Hopefully you found something that made you say, I need that. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps the channel. Subscribe to RevX for more smart, useful, and next-level gadgets every week. And if you want to check out any of today's products, all the buy links are in the description. See you in the next one.